One Jay Walker here outside Sherburne subway station, downtown Toronto. Thursday evening, raining again. Yeah, it's supposed to be raining all night. So there you go. When is this rain gonna friggin' stop? Here's, what's this? Trinity Lutheran Church. I've never been here. In case anyone wants to know, it's just around the corner from Sherburne subway station. Service 10:30 a.m. Sunday, I suppose. Yeah. Not that big of a church. And then the Selby here. If anybody remembers back in the day, this was a hotel. Now it's an expensive restaurant, and I'm not sure if they're condos or rental. I think they're rentals. And making more condos there. All right.
Yeah, I think if we say we met with them, we'd be like.
So take care. Take care, everyone. Blessings. Please like, please subscribe. Take care.